How to get dark mode in Instagram on iPhone. So in this video we will show you how to get dark mode on Instagram. Maybe you have the light version right now, but wonder how you change it to the darker option. There is at the moment no way to do it through Instagram, so make sure to watch the entire video to see how you then get dark mode on your Instagram. Firstly, I will open up Instagram really quickly, and as you can see, dark mode is disabled right now. So to change it, go to your settings. In the settings you need to find the display and brightness option, which you need to go ahead and click. Now you see that it is set to light. Instead of that, turn on the dark option to the right. Now close the settings and open up your Instagram, where you see that dark mode is now enabled. So that is how you get dark mode in Instagram on iPhone. Be sure to leave a comment if these steps helped you solve your problem, and also be sure to check out the other relevant videos you see on the screen as well. Thanks for watching.